بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لا أقسم بهذا البلد
I swear an oath by this city, i.e. Makkah Mukarramah,
وأنت حل بهذا البلد
that, O beloved, you are present in this city.
ووالد وما ولد
And by the oath of your father Ibrahim, and by his progeny, that is you, O beloved.
لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد
We have certainly created mankind to remain in hardship.
أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد
Does man think that no one will ever have power over him?
يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا
He says, I have destroyed huge amounts of wealth.
أيحسب أن لم يره أحد
Does man think that no one saw him?
ألم نجعل له عينين
Did we not make his two eyes,
ولسانا وشفتين
and a tongue and two lips?
وهديناه النجدين
And we guided him to the two conspicuous paths of good and evil.
فلاقتحم العقبة
Then he did not jump on the steep path without thinking.
وما أدراك ما العقبة
And what have you understood what that steep path is?
فك رقبة
It is to free a slave,
أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة
or the feeding on a day of hunger,
يتيما ذا مقربة
to an orphan who is the next of kin,
أو مسكينا ذا متربة
or to a poor person lying in dust.
ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة
Then he became one of those who believed and who advised patience to one another and who advised kindness to one another.
أولئك أصحاب الميمنة
These are the people of the right side.
والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة
And those who denied our verses, they are the people of the left side, i.e. the evil ones.
عليهم نار مؤصدة
Upon them is fire. After they are thrown into it, it is closed up from above.
صدق الله العظيم.